if we can manage. It feels like it's glued to the outer layer, but this one is not tiny enough to go through, so I need a different tool. Hopefully you can see what I'm talking about. The outer plastic and the inside insulation of the previous wires in there. So that means this piece of insulation from the previous wire is inside. I think I have a different screwdriver for that. Hopefully this one will work. Something like this. Yeah, this one is a little bit thinner. Yep. Okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna pause the video and work my way around through this while I come to a better idea, because pushing it with the tiny screwdriver is not working. It feels like it's glue inside. Maybe I'm wrong, but I can see some part is coming now. Okay, it's coming now. Was that all of it? Just part of it. Just part of it. So we still have something stuck inside. I'm gonna push it the other way now. So you have to kind of turn it around and push, and once you create a ball, you wanna go to it. Maybe if I use a bigger one now, might help. Yep. There you go. Here it is. This was the piece stuck inside. Okay. Time consuming, but we manage, which is the important part. Now we can put in the cable without an issue. And to reinforce this one, I just came up with the idea of putting some, I'll show it to you in a minute. But here is the wires that we need to peel out. And we need to follow the, the connection of the white connector, which is, we have black, ground, and positive. So the ground is going to go in the middle. Well, it feels like these are we're gonna twist it, and I think seems like it has two grounds. These wires are bare. Let's find out this one. Looks like a lot of wires together. So that's 3 connections.